Welcome! In front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I'll show you how we can change the name of this device. In other words, how we can rename this camera. So at the first we have to go for the menu, then go for the yellow options, it's right here, then move it on the 4, then enter for the Wi-Fi settings, and here we can change the device nickname. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see it looks almost like the Android keyboard. Here we can add the other, you can change it like that. Let's maybe go right here and add the phrase Canon. I think it will be good. Okay, as you can see, unfortunately we cannot use space here. Let's check if it is going to happen when we go on the end of this phrase. Okay, we can. So only on the beginning you cannot use the space, right? Let's type Canon, or maybe Cam from the camera, and we can add here only 10 letters. So let's set it up like that. Confirm by tapping here, then just go back, and as you can see it was changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.